Ulindlela emampopozi yemnyana wami elele uyashada namhlanje ulindlela manyauza wanomola nyana wami uthathi bengingazi yombolo makoti unyana wami ewusongile mahati usezostresi usemshadwe yathathisa namhlanje benesithi unyana wami liso elesithi angela ishade kulindlela
Unjani? Welcome.
Don't hide behind English stuff you can practice in your process. There's all sorts of really useful phrases on here.
The X together, it's the horse riding click. You want a horse to go faster? Wow. You guys all ride horses.
The Mankind Project International is a multicultural organization that helps men to look at the issues they face in their lives. It's based on 3 principles of honesty, integrity, and accountability. This day was primarily about men from the MKP Cape Town community, their family and friends, coming to see where the closer men from MKP live. There is usually such a great divide, and this was an opportunity for people to come together, have fun, and take a look to see what are the townships like, what's the energy, and what's different from the stereotyped notions that we may have. Getting to know each other is a crucial step to reconciliation and peace in our land.
Ja, Mama. Bischofskreuz, Newlands, der Rondebusch, der Point.
Apartheid created a sense of division between the different peoples of South Africa, in terms of class, culture, and language. This often seems like an insurmountable gap. However, when people meet with open hearts and open ears, even the opportunity for a simple chat can bring so much healing. An added bonus is how fascinating the townships are. They're so alive with life, and it's a place where the old world meets the new world, and it really can be a pleasure to be in the townships. But the day is also about sending a message to the communities, to the peoples living in the townships, that here we are, a bunch of wealthy South Africans from the southern suburbs or wherever, and that we are willing to try connect with the communities, to try and speak a little closer, to learn about their culture, to show the people that we are willing to put in an effort to help bridge the divide. And in a way, it's an honoring of the poorer communities by acknowledging and valuing their place. And I think that that'll help contribute to what we all want for our children, to live in a safe, united, and prosperous South Africa.
Sebenzi onzima. Siyabulela kakhulu kakhulu. Andiv? Enkosi.
Helping it's great. It's wonderful for some change, to get to close the gap between, to get people knowing, to get to know other people better than you see them there, you see them in town, you see exactly where they come from. That I think that will help a lot because we'll understand one another much better than rather than me going to you and understanding you and you. Every time I have to, some things I have to let go because you don't understand it. So I think it causes much better understanding for all of them. Yeah, that's my run of the whole opinion.
I think it's crucial that we start doing something, these sorts of things over and over again until finally we somehow make the bridge and integrate more in our society.
Bathethile abantu bathile. Siyabulela wena futhi, thank you. Ngoba unakwenza interview le last part. Thank you. Craig makenze interview.
Ulindlela bema mkhophozi